Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and select all notification option so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade primer or gesso with only 3 ingredients. Take any empty container. You can use spoon or ice cream stick like this to mix it up, and the powder base will be plaster of Paris, that is POP, or you can use baby powder. I would recommend you to use plaster of Paris and it is really affordable. 1 kg cost about only 30 rupees. I'm going to take 2 parts, that is 2 spoons of plaster of Paris. You can get it from any paint shop. Now take 1 spoon of white glue. You can use any brand. Now I'm going to make black gesso, so I'm going to mix 1 spoon of black acrylic color. So this is the measurement: 2 spoons of powder base, 1 spoon of white glue and 1 spoon of acrylic color. You can make gesso with any color you wish. First I'm making black gesso. Now mix the 3 ingredients well until it turns into a paste-like consistency. So this is the perfect consistency. You can store it in any airtight container. You can either store it or make it fresh every time. This primer really gives a good base when you do bottle arts, clay works, or whenever you paint a non-porous material such as glass or plastic. Do comment on what you think about this video and don't forget to subscribe. Share it with your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. Now for the white gesso, I'm taking the same thing: 2 spoons of powder base, 1 spoon of white acrylic, and now instead of black acrylic color, for the white gesso I'm going to use white acrylic color. I'm repeating once again: 2 spoons of plaster of Paris, 1 spoon of white glue, and now I'm taking 1 spoon of white acrylic color. You can make gesso in any color you wish. I made gesso with only 2 basic colors, white and black gesso. So this is the consistency. It will be like a paste. And the measurement is 2:1:1. 2 parts of powder base, 1 part of white glue and 1 part of white acrylic color. You can double up the quantity if you are going to store it for a long time, or you can make it fresh whenever you do a craft work. Now let's test this. It really gives a good coverage. It also works well with the cardboard. After a coat of primer, if you paint the surface, it really gives a good finishing. Also works well in glass. Gesso or primer is an important art supply. It gives slightly a textured base. If you paint directly on a glass or plastic surface, it may start peeling off. You can avoid that with the help of the primer. If you get primer or gesso in the craft shop, the price is really high, but you can make it with 3 easily available materials in your home. Once it dried, if you try to peel it off, it won't come out easily, and it gives a rough texture and really primes the surface well. I have one example to show you. I have made a beautiful vase with homemade primer in the previous video. I have used black gesso. With empty detergent bottle and homemade paper clay and homemade primer, I made this beautiful vase. Do try this in your home. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.